Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Winanda Suli from Class A Chemistry Education Study Program. I will present the result of our practicum with the theme synthesis of manganese 6 and manganese 3 compounds. The synthesis of manganese 6 and manganese 3 compounds and subjectives. Synthesizing manganese 6 and manganese 3 compounds. Literature review. Manganese is one of the most abundant first row transition element in nature and plays a significant role in biological system. For example, manganese-based actives For example, manganese-based activities sites can be found in supersite dismutase. And the next experimental tools and material. Number 1 tools, bakar glass, drop pipette, funnel, test tube shaft, measuring cup, spatula, glass stirrer, analytic balance, foam hood. Next material, aqueous, filter paper, potassium permanganate, sulfuric acid, potassium manganate, manganese dioxide, and potassium hydroxide. The next result, manganese 6 compounds. Treatment. Number 1, reach 5 ml of potassium permanganate 0.01 m with 2.5 ml of sulfuric acid 1 m. Observation for test tube 1, the purple solution, and number 2, add a little MnO2 or manganese dioxide, then shake. Observation the Kiss purple solution. And treatment number 3, filtering the aqueous solution. Observation the filters is purple solution. For the test tube 2, number 1, measure 5 ml of potassium permanganate 0.01 m with 2.5 ml of potassium hydroxide 2 m. Observation for number 1, the purple solution. Treatment for number 2, add a little manganese dioxide, then shake. Observation Becky's purple solution. Treatment for number 3, filtering the aqueous solutions. Observation number 3, the filters is green solutions. And the next, manganese 3 compounds. Treatment for number 1, weighing as much 0.5 grams of potassium manganese, enriching with 2 ml of sulfuric acid for 1 m. Observation potassium manganese is soluble in sulfuric acid. Treatment for number 2, adding of 10 drops of contrasted sulfuric acid. Observation no change. Chloride solutions. Treatment for number 3, insert the beaker glass 80 ml into the cold water in the beaker glass 500 ml. Observation the solution tends to cool. And treatment for number 4, adding 5 drops of potassium permanganate 0.1 m, and observation Briggs Brown solution. Treatment for number 5, mixing with 50 ml aqueous. Observation, aqueous mixed with solution is translate brown. The next, synthesis mengenai 6 compounds. First, prepare the test tube, which are then filled with 5 ml potassium permanganate, 0.01 m in each tube, but solution in tub 1 and tub 2 before adding Mn4 oxide were purple. Mixing the solution with 5 ml of sulfuric acid, 1 m4 tub 1, and 5 ml of 2m potassium hydroxide solution for tube 2. Experiments were carried out into conditions acid and alkaline to determine the reactions for the formation of manganese 6 compound in acid and alkaline and evaporation, and to determine the nature of manganese 6 itself. And next, after adding acid and base, put back a little powder manganese dioxide into each tub and shake. The next, potassium permanganate solution, which was entirely dark purple. After adding solution, sulfuric acid and potassium hydroxide, contractions dextrases. After adding manganese dioxide powder, the color of the solution in tub 1 is more concentrated than tub 2, and after shaking there is a black case as precipitate in both tubs. The next, then the two solutions were filtered. The result is that the filters in tub 1 is purple and the filtering in tub 2 is green. This indicates that manganese 6 has been formed in tub 2, because as we know, the green color is typical color of manganese 6. The next, synthesis manganese 3 compounds. The preparation of manganese 3 compounds was carried out using 0.5 grams of solid manganese dioxide, potassium manganate, then treated with 1 m sulfuric acid, 2 ml, then added about 10 drops of concentrated in sulfuric acid. The color becomes cloudy, but when shaken, the color changes to clear. And when concentrated sulfuric acid was added, no color change occurred. The next, then added 5 drops of 5 ml potassium permanganate and put into 50 ml of distilled water. The result obtained in this experiment was a brown solution, which could be identified that the solution was a manganese 3 compound and characteristic by a color can the solution becomes bronze orange form figure 4. The next conclusions after carrying out the above practicum, it can be concluded that the manufacture of manganese 6 can occur using a base which is marked by a change in the color of the solution from purple to green. Compounds in manganese 6 containing permanganate ions are only stable in alkaline conditions. This shows a positive reaction for manganese 6. Meanwhile, in the manufacture of manganese 3, it can be for the color change that occurred which were unlikely color to dark brown, which was a positive reaction for the manufacture of manganese 3. Thank you.